Welcome back to another episode where I give you tips and skills on how to become a better public speaker. Today, I will build on what I briefly discussed on Monday, which was hand gestures. Like I've already defined, hand gestures are intentional hand movements that add or unfortunately take away from your entire speech. The easiest way to know how to properly use hand gestures is by being as natural as possible. Do not stress yourself out by thinking you need to physically demonstrate every sentence through your hands. In other words, let your mouth do the talking, not your hands. Today's challenge is what I've learned from an award-winning professional public speaker. Number 1. Record yourself reciting your script or your 30-second elevator pitch that you want to share with your future employer. After you've recorded yourself, mute your video and focus only on your hand gestures and your body language. And ask yourself these questions. Are you using unnecessary movements? Do your movements reflect the content in your speech? If not, make adjustments by leaving your hands comfortably by your sides and using them when they are needed. A huge thank you for all of your support so far. This has been Ajiranke Adeleke with another episode on Ajiranke Speaks. See you next time so that you can be able to speak with grace. Bye.